you want to buy the best walking pad, then listen to one thing carefully. In terms of functionality, there's no big difference between a treadmill and a walking pad. Portability is the real difference. Look at this chart. On a normal treadmill, you can walk, jog, and even run. Yes, for running, you will have to purchase a treadmill above 30,000 rupees. But at least you can run on them. While on a walking pad, you can walk, even do light jogging, but you cannot run. And apart from this, there's also difference in speed and portability. Now let's talk about the motor types. There are three types of motors: AC motors, DC motors, and BLDC motors. But since walking pad comes at a lower price, you mostly see DC motors. DC motors, they can get easily damaged due to power fluctuation, but they are very easy to repair and also inexpensive. While BLDC motors, they don't get damaged easily, but if they do get damaged, it is really difficult to repair. You will have to replace BLDC motor itself, which will be very expensive. In this video, I have compared more than 35 walking pads that are available both on Amazon and Flipkart to help you purchase the best walking pad according to your need. If you want the best walking pad under 10,000 rupees, first really good option is Durofit Compact Lite. It is available both on Amazon and Flipkart. If you closely look at the specs, the brand advertises it supports 2.5 HP peak power. But keep that in mind. It is the peak power, not the continuous power. The continuous power you will get is around 1.5 horsepower. You also get BLDC motor. So if you want to do walking or light jogging, it is the perfect choice. And it is currently available for 7,500 rupees. And Durofit brand servicing is also really good in India.
From the same brand Durofit, there is one more model available, the Durofit 91 Compact Lite. It comes with 3 HP peak power BLDC motor, but keep that in mind. 3 HP is the peak power, not the continuous power. It supports speed up to 10 km per hour and also includes a remote control. Surprisingly, it's available for around 11,000 rupees, and for that it is also a really good option if you want walking pad to be more powerful. Under the same price range of 10,000 rupees, there is one other good option from a Sparanaut brand, that is Sparanaut Fitness STH 3004N. In this too, you get 2.5 HP peak DC motor. Keep that in mind. In Durofit, you are getting BLDC motor. The brand claims that 90 kg person can walk on it, which is fine, but claims it supports speed up to 10 km per hour. But in real time, you will get only 5 to 6 km per hour if you do light jogging. It is available both on Amazon and Flipkart and cost around 10,000 rupees. Now, from the same Sparanaut brand, there is one more good option, Sparanaut Fitness STS 3002. It comes with 3 HP peak power motor, while the continuous power is around 2 HP, which is quite decent for this price range. The main drawback is its maximum speed of only 6 km per hour, which brand claims, but in real time you get less than that. So in comparison, 3004N offers a top speed of 10 km per hour if you want the flexibility to walk as well as jog comfortably. In the same price range of 10,000 rupees, this walking pad from Lifelong is also a really good option with almost similar configuration. You get a decent weight capacity of 110 kg and it comes at a price around 10,000 rupees. The only problem with it is that if it breaks down, you can consider customer service to be zero. Apart from these, there are a few more walking pads available from brands like Lifelong, Cocoto, FitKit by Cult, and FlexNet as well. Most of these are priced at around 8,000 to 10,000 rupees, but if you compare the specification, you will notice that they are quite similar. The biggest difference isn't in the features, it's in the after sales service.
So basically, if you're living in tier 3 or tier 4 cities, I would recommend to go for either Durofit brand or Sparanaut brand, because both of the brand service is really good in tier 3 and tier 4 cities. And when I'm repeating good service, it doesn't mean that you will call the customer care and you will get service immediately. It will take at least 15 to 20 days for technician to come and repair your treadmill. But I am saying it good just because in other brands you don't even get that much.
And if you are living in tier 1 or tier 2 city, then you can consider other brands like FitKit, FlexNet as well.
All the Amazon best offer links are in the video description and Flipkart offer links are in the text section. If you still have any doubt regarding walking pad and its after sales service in your area, then please comment.